Ever wondered how Emma manages to keep track of all those transactions? It's not magic, folks. It's a system, a smart one at that. Let's dive into the mind of Emma and uncover her secret sauce for categorizing transactions. Introducing the categorization system. So, how does Emma categorize her transactions? Well, it's a multi-layered approach that involves a combination of automated rules and manual adjustments. Automated rules. Merchant-based categorization. Emma's system is smart enough to recognize specific merchants and automatically assign them to predefined categories. For example, transactions from Amazon will automatically go to the shopping category, while those from Spotify will land in entertainment. Keyword-based categorization. Certain keywords or phrases in the transaction description can trigger automatic categorization. If a transaction contains words like coffee or breakfast, it might be automatically categorized as food and drink. Manual adjustments. While automated rules handle a significant portion of the categorization, Emma still needs to manually review and adjust certain transactions. Uncategorized transactions. Sometimes, transactions don't fit neatly into predefined categories. In such cases, Emma manually reviews these transactions and assigns them to the appropriate category. Incorrectly categorized transactions. Even the smartest automated system can make mistakes. Emma regularly reviews her transactions to identify and correct any miscategorized items. The importance of accurate categorization. Accurate categorization is crucial for several reasons. Financial overview. Well-categorized transactions provide a clear picture of your spending habits. You can easily identify where your money is going and make informed financial decisions. Budgeting. By categorizing transactions, you can allocate specific budgets to different categories. This helps you stay on top of your finances and avoid overspending. Tax preparation. Accurate categorization can simplify tax preparation. Many expenses can be deducted, and proper categorization ensures you claim all eligible deductions. Tips for effective categorization. Create a detailed category list. Develop a comprehensive list of categories that covers all your spending habits. Be specific and detailed to ensure accurate categorization. Use subcategories. Consider using subcategories to further refine your categorization system. For instance, you can have subcategories like groceries, dining out, and coffee under the main category food and drink. Review and adjust regularly. Your spending habits may change over time. Regularly review your category list and make adjustments as needed. Use a reliable budgeting app. A good budgeting app can automate many categorization tasks and provide valuable insights into your spending. By following these tips and leveraging Emma's powerful categorization system, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.